kum gajing ai men se me gi samla pule bekin nang yai betang shakmat wat lagi pas negi phil haki examen jongki uba Donald P Wahlang u Chief Secretary Kajala Meghalaya ulong bakini kim dei ki jingkot no ha gajing em Henry kum ki samla kidi ban pech shakmat ban yakun ban betangi ki jing pule ki bakham salor yakani uba Donald P Wahlang ulakran hakajing elang pli yaka graduation day hakashi tarek unai lor arja apulai kabolong shibenta na ka youth festival ka ba arsngi jonga snaps im college pakurwan haringkat kajing tre lang wat ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong halor ka phang kben kat badang im te lakam pendu yaka HIV AIDS hakadi kasngi kaladan ru kajing pen ko buram yaki samla ki bala pas yaka kerdan BA bat BCom jong ka tega college ki wei pat ki ba ajing kran ki kan thop yo deputy commissioner jong ka Southwest Sales District uba tilengwa ka editor jong ka kot khubor The Shillong Times ka kong Patricia Mukim u principal ka college u Dr. KK nong sej nalor ki wei pan
There are many hurdles that you have to cross, and I'm happy that all of you have managed to overcome all the issues, all the challenges, and today you stand tall to be graduates from this college. Remember that success is not final and failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Therefore, please remember that you may be successful today, you have graduated, but don't take this as a final achievement. Let this be a new window of opportunities. There are infinite possibilities waiting for you out there. Therefore, open your eyes, be focused, see what needs to be done, where do you pursue your further studies, where do you pursue your employment avenues, wherever available, and this is not the ending point, but rather this is the starting point for all of you. But all ba ni ada kecing pulih mentang contoh hiye ini standard of family but kumni mentari. Graduation ha kene kapor ganda atuai apar apa Islam kari tang kecing stang. Nang ne nang pek chikpan be focus ya chikpan but yet kilat gelti kumno bapin kuteng ya kicing pule lane da kwa wat kam no kumno bapin wat kam hae but kumno ban of skill yelde bala ban yo become. Believe in yourself. You may have friends who may insult you, you may have friends who may discourage you. Don't look at them, move forward, just focus on what needs to be done, and your eyes should be on the ball all the time. If some of you who have graduated want to be enter government service, for example, and be an MCS officer, be focused. Your eyes should be on that ball to be an MCS or an IAS officer. Start from now on. Read the newspaper daily. You get free newspaper online. And be so focused on your studies, on your efforts. Don't spend too much time online. It's a very, very deadly poison. If 7 to 8 hours you're spending online on your mobile, you will not reach anywhere. So therefore, be focused, should have a good aim, should have a good objective, and you should have your eyes on the ball. Enjoy yourself, expend all the energies that you have, and act responsibly. The students, especially from this part of the country, in the northeast, whether in Shillong, Wahlang, Kyrwoh, anywhere, they lack basic skills of financial management. You should learn the basics of financial management. Kamu you financial management, kamu pilih bentuk kio ano, berpido ano, berpipuluk ano, di bentuk apa ya? Bon Kiba stang bentrekam, kinayo katulok berengkong lai pengajar sebo, para lai pengajar peluk no. That is not the way to do it. As I mentioned about a few days back, I said start always. The kio kamasai start with an 80-20 rule. Kamu pila ban peluk kau nasispa kamu save 20%. So the basic message I want to put is financial management is critical for all of us, and the art of saving is imperative and very, very important. Learn to save money, learn to save early. Kila tahu ni badut mendar pisah. Wah kibandar pisah tu lada save tang kendiat man Bnai hadin life posam it's a different game altogether. But especially those who will be getting jobs after your graduation, please understand that you need to understand financial management, but you should not earn 100 and spend 120. Let me tell you only one thing. People talk about engineers in the country, people talk about students who pass out from IIT, students who pass out from premier institutions. Last week, the lunar vehicle from India designed by ISRO landed on the moon. 90% of the scientists who designed this lunar vehicle that landed on the moon were from institutions that were from far-flung areas. Many of them passed out from areas like Calicut, like Trivandrum, like in fact I have a classmate of mine who is a deputy director in Kerala, in ISRO, who is also part of that. And they are not from IITs. Somebody mentioned very interestingly, IITians, those who pass from IIT, they go to Silicon Valley. Non-IITians go to the moon. So therefore, you also, as students from this area, don't think that you cannot conquer new horizons. Not only people from Shillong can do it, not only people from Guwahati, from Delhi, people from Kyrwoh also can do it.
But what can we do? How can we resolve the conflict? And we have reached a point where we have no answers. So the conflict continues for 129 days now. People are dying. People are suffering. We do not want such a conflict in our own state. And a lot depends on young people like you to find out avenues for conflict management and conflict resolution. Kumno banyale banwanra ye kajing suk jing san kajing so tho para priu. Namarbun sin kimi kijing rumah de kajing bom ye so tho jing mut. Namar bagimla banya kren. We don't have societal conversations. Kasi only kani ban kapot. Haka imlang salang ni de ban don kajing ye kren kajing ye khana. Bangin ye perkhat lang. Bangin ya mirjing mut lang kumno banele kumno banya tackle ya kanu kanu kajing ye.
As you step into the world, may your journey be filled with boundless opportunities, endless growth, and remarkable achievement. May your passion drive you, your wisdom guide you, and your dream inspire you. Embrace challenges with courage, cherish memories, and spread your wings wide. May success, happiness, and fulfillment always be your companion. May God Almighty shower His blessing upon you all, my dear students. Thank you.